Okay, so we've got the 4 bottles that we're making. This one is gluing up, a piece of wood came off with it in the end of the lump of timber, but that will be sold shortly. The others are drilled ready. So now we're going on to make the lid. So we take a bottle and we're back to our original sketch. We're going to make something like this for the lid, and we're going to make a bone finial for the top out of a piece of commercially available bone from India. So off we go, same procedure. Turn it down. It's going to be in 2 stages because we're going to do the part that fits into the bottle and the basic shape, and then we're going to do the top part with the finial. So this is going to fit into the bottle, so we need to just keep an eye on where we are with this. And that's just a tad on the tight side, so that's going to be fine. We'll just ease that a little bit, make it a bit shallower. Ease that a little bit, we can come back to that in a minute if we need to. So take the diameter down a bit, and now we're going to make this shape on the drawing where it comes in. So we've got to make an undercut shape here, and we want to see if that looks like it fits the shape on the bottle nicely. That's not quite going on, and that wants to be smaller, so we can solve why that's not going on very well. Obviously a little smaller. Wants to be inside the diameter of the top. So let's have another look at that. That's fitting on nicely, nice snug fit, and that's inside the half round bowl there, and that's going to give us a nice substantial looking lid, similar to this shape that we drew earlier. Now we can use the round-ended file that's been cut to make a cutting tool. Give us a nice shape in there, and then get as close as we can. Make this shape down to the neck. No constraints on neck size on the lid. Let's get a different tool. To go down below the diameter of this, because this finial needs to look reasonably proportioned, so we're going for a fairly narrow neck. Carving a nice shape on there. Just want to make sure that that neck is less than the finial. Vibration is because we've got such a thin neck, and we'll do that with a bit of sandpaper, the turner's strength. And I think that will probably about do. Let's just check that it fits onto the base and looks alright. Yes, that's going to look nice, and we're going to cut it off, part it off here, turn it round, glue it back on, put a hole in, and we're going to make a bone finial in the next video.